Hello everyone, and welcome to this Map Mavin video on how to create a web map. With Map Mavin, it's really easy. First off, you need to make sure that you have some spatial data uploaded. That way you have some content to put on your web map. With Map Mavin, you actually have access to a free or open data catalog, which you can get to by clicking on either free data in our layers tab or on our data catalog tab. This takes you to a separate page where if you do not have an account with us, you can download the layers as GeoJSONs, or if you do have an account with us, you can import them directly into your layers tab. Also, if you want to add your own data that you found elsewhere, you can click Create Layer. From here, you can upload multiple files at once, ranging from GeoJSONs to KMLs to KMZs and shapefiles and TIFFs. If you've created a folder, you can add those layers directly to a folder, which makes creating a web map more efficient because you can add entire folders at once, or you can submit them individually. Once they've been added, you can go ahead and click on that layer if you want to edit the spatial data of that layer in our layer editor, and once you're done doing that, head over to our Maps tab and click on New Map. From here, you can add a web map name as well as description. In this example, I'm going to be adding some layers for statistics regarding the 2008 presidential election in Colorado. Once I've clicked these two layers and clicked OK, they're going to be added to my map. I can add a name as well as a description. And then I can go ahead and edit some of the options of the map as well. I'd also like to note that in the layers section, you can turn off layers by clicking on them and they'll go gray. Or you can change the layer order on your map. So if I wanted the presidential Republican vote layer to be on top, I can drag the Democratic one beneath that, or vice versa. And then if you want to go ahead and collapse that tab, you can see that beneath that there's two different tabs for options and permissions. Within options, you control the visibility of certain things such as the live screen share and chat button, the layer legend, the navigation controls. You can choose if you want layers in the map to be able to be downloaded, and you can also allow for manual SQL or SQL queries to be executed. Within permissions, we can choose whether we want our map to be public or private, public being that we can share our URL with anyone and they can access it, private being that if we wanted to share our URL, we can password protect it, or we can invite specific users to that map. And then we can add users directly from the map itself by typing in their email, choosing whether you want it to be read or edit for them, and then pressing the plus sign. Finally, once the map has been made, which you need to make sure you save it in order to do that, you can head over to our map view. Map view is where users can participate in screen shares, which they can do by clicking on the green button in the bottom right hand corner and clicking start or join screen share. Once they're in that screen share, they can check who is in it by scrolling over the number of users online. They can talk to them in real time, and they can collaborate on the map. What this means is that they can add markups such as markup polygons, markup text, markup points, and markup lines to the map. They can measure distances, they can stylize these markups, and etc. And also move around the map and change base layers if they wanted to. And all of this is done in real time with other people on the map at the same exact time. Thanks so much for your time.